Hey guys, in previous video we've seen that we can use Gutenberg editor or the block editor in order to create pages, but it not give us much of a style into our website. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Elementor, which you can say is an extended version of Gutenberg editor, but it is really powerful. And as you can see that this particular website is also created using Elementor, and about 70 to 75% of the WordPress websites that are currently on the web are created using Elementor. So let's dive into Elementor and see how we can use it. If I go to any page and click, let's edit the template part itself. Now, this particular page I created in the previous video, and we are going to edit it using Elementor. But first, we are going to delete the current elements that are present on it. And let's do it. 3 dot. Alright, since I've cleared my page, I'm going to give it an update and click on edit with Elementor. Now it will take me to the Elementor canvas, and let me show you that how we can create a really beautiful page using only those 3 elements, like a heading, image and a text. Now once we are on the element canvas, you can see that it gives me kind of a vibe of my website itself. Now you can see a header, a page where my content will be shown, and how it will look. I can just judge while developing that how my page will look while developing. So firstly, I'm going to remove this template, and when I click on hide title, it will just go away when I visit the page. But for now, let's go to the 9th section and create a simple page. So I'm going to create a let me just give a overview. Now containers act like a div in your Elementor canvas. You can put elements in it, and you can put multiple elements for that matter. If I alter the text to this is a simple template page and full stop. So I get all the options that I create in the Gutenberg, but there are more. In fact, I can center it, give it a color, a really good color. I'm going to go with the theme color, that is New Global Pink. You can see that it matches with the theme, and I can select the typography. Now the Elementor editor has a lot of font family that we can choose among them. Now I'm going to go with Poppins, but you can do your research and choose any font you like, and you can even visit Google and supports around, I believe, 95% of the fonts that Google provides. Transform it to the uppercase. Looks good now. Let's update it, and if I click on the preview changes, I get an option to just make sure that whenever I made changes and update it, the changes will be reflected on this page. Now it is not a particularly website link, as you can see, but let me just add an image to it, and I'll explain it that how it is different. Now let's use this image, and now if I click update, you can see that this particular page will reload again by itself, and the changes are present here. So as I told you that you can just monitor your changes according to yourself while developing your page. Now you can see that this particular change is appearing here as well. Now let's go back and give it a, I believe that it's a really large image. Give it a 50% width is fine for me, and let's go back and put some text below it and centerize it, and let's paste it here. And alright, so I'm done with my editing. Like, I just wanted to give it a basic overview that how you can edit with Elementor. But a good part is that in the Gutenberg editor, I won't be able to edit my block element to the fullest. But here I can select the container, and you can see that I get all the flex box options. Now, if you are a developer, you must be aware of flex box. But in the editor, I can just change the direction and how I want it, like center, start. If I align the items to the left, they will move that way. In center, they move so. And all these features are really helpful when you are developing your website. So, as I said, if you're using your Gutenberg editor to develop a basic blog website or just for your personal growth, you can use it. But Elementor gives you a really good overview of development and how you can just enhance your theme look and looks of your website. That's all about Elementor.